Hi everyone, welcome to another vlog. So आज चाहिँ हामी मुनलिट सेन्चुरी जाँदैछौँ. त्यो चाहिँ एउटा वाइल्ड लाइफ कन्जर्भेसन सेन्टर हो अनि जहाँ चाहिँ ह्यान्ड हेल्ड कंगारू वालबीहरूलाई खुवाउने ओर्ने अनि शान्ति नै इभेन्टहरू हुन्छ भनेर सुनेको थिएँ अनि त्यही भएर आज चाहिँ त्यहाँ जाँदैछौँ. सबैजना स्टे ट्युन. म त्यहाँ गएपछि भेट्छु है त सबैजना. बाई. हाई एभ्रिवान. म चाहिँ यो मुनलिट वाइल्ड सेन्चुरीमा आइसकेको छु अनि अब हामी चाहिँ यहाँबाट भित्र छिर्दैछौँ है त. के हो यो? हो कि होइन? यो त सुँगुर जस्तै छ कान भएको. भालु र यो त कस्तो के जनावर हो यो? बुबुक्क परेको छ. हाम्रो के जनावर हो पनि यो? हेलो साथी. यो एरिया चाहिँ हाम्रो ड्यान्डेनङबाट 35 मिनट जस्तो लाग्दो रहेछ अनि यहाँ आउँदो रहेछ. यो चाहिँ एकदम फ्यामिली फ्रेन्डली ठाउँ रहेछ. सबैजना मान्छेहरू आफ्नो बच्चाहरूसँग आइरहेछ. यहाँ चाहिँ इमु छ. घुरघुर गर्छ त. घुर्छ त यसले त. इमु अनि पहिला यसको जनसङ्ख्या चाहिँ लास्टै बेसी भएर चाहिँ सोल्जरहरू नै खटाएको थियो अरे क्या यसलाई मार्नलाई चाहिँ. अनि कतिवटा बुलेट इमुमा हानेर सक्यो भने चाहिँ सोल्जरहरूलाई पनि रिवार्ड गर्ने चलन थियो त्यो टाइममा चाहिँ. अनि तर लास्टमा चाहिँ एट द एन्ड अफ द डे चाहिँ के भयो भने इमुले सोल्जरलाई नै डिफिट गर्यो. लास्टमा चाहिँ इमुलाई ब्याटलमा हराउनै सकेन. डाँफे होइन कहाँ डाँफे हुन्छ. कंगारू छ कंगारू र वालबी. तँ जान के गिरियो ल. यिनीहरूले त मासु खाने रहेछ नि त फेरि थुप्रेर. यो कंगारू अल्छी रहेछ यार. हेलो हाई गर्दैछ. यसले बोधी हान्यो फेरि. हेलो कुट्दैन नि मजा नि खान्छ है. अहिलेकोलाई त हात क्या नङ्ग्राले तान्दो रहेछ होइन. यो जेन्टल रहेछ. हाई जेन्टल. के थियो होला भन्नु हेर हाँसको फेरि अर्कै चाहिँ बिटक यसले होला. पालो पर्खेछ. टोलाई बस्छु म आज हर पल किन आइदिन्छ तिम्रो सपनीमा पनि. के छ काङ्गु? तिमी काङ्गु हो? तिम्रो पाउच कहाँ छ भुँडीतिर? तिमी केटा हो केटी भन त. तिम्रो पाउच देखाउन भनेको छ. ओइ बसी बसी हक्दिनु त भएन नि फेरि साथी. गिद्दी हुन्छ कहाँ यहाँबाट खाने त्यहाँबाट निकालिदिने यार. डट्टी रहेछ तिमी. हाँसले सिकाएको छ होइन यस्तो खिच्चा बेहोरा तिमीलाई. खाऊ खाऊ कङ्गु खाऊ. अनि तिमीलाई यो जङ्गलमा चाहिँ कसले खान दिन्छ यस्तो भन त? घाँस खान्छ होला होइन
सम्झाउने क्या सोल्टी
के हो पारा
सिरियस
आइज
छोप्यो
ओइ आइज ओपन खेलौँ आइज 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 न ओपन खेलौँ आइज त पावरफुल कि म पावरफुल ओइ लडाइदिनु ओइ यहाँ चाहिँ डिङ्गोहरू छ ऊ यहाँ सुतिरहेछ तर यो त कस्तो घरपालुवा कुकुर जस्तो देख्ने ओइ यो त घरपालुवा कुकुरै जस्तो छ त हौ आयो यो त कस्तो मजाको यार यो जङ्गली कुकुर जस्तो कसरी देख्छ हौ
And Truffles is a spotted python. So because he is a python, he does not have any venom like our tiger snake over there or our death adder in that enclosure there. So I probably wouldn't get those two snakes out and hold them like this. And the reason for that is because venom, if you're bitten by it, you can get quite sick. So the python, they do something a bit different and they actually wrap around their food item. And once it has stopped breathing, they will then swallow it whole. Don't worry, he's not looking at any of us like we're a delicious meal. We are way too big. So he can only eat something about 2 to 3 times the thickest part of his body. So we feed him 2 small rats once a month. That's it. They don't need to eat too often. And this is because it takes about 7 days for them to digest their food. So if they were to eat all the time, they would waste a lot of energy. Some really big snakes can go about 6 months without eating if they really need to. So yeah, it's just a way of them being able to save energy.
के यो सर्बोला खै नुहाइदिन्छ कि यो त ट्रेजर हन्ट जस्तै भइरहेको छ सर्बोला खोज्ने कस्तो मजाले क्यामोफ्लाज गरेको है
यहाँबाट हेर्नु न ल खतरा बस्दिने रे है माथि हेर न
यहाँ चाहिँ ग्रिन पाइजन छ सरी हरियो देखिरहेको
This is the beautifulest cake I ever seen. Oh my goodness,
टोटल
this
पनि
is
रहेछ
wrong.
हरियो भेको
Let's go see more reptiles.
कस्तो मजाको रहेछ यार
No, my sis will go.
On the hunt for whatever is on offer. This amazing talent of saying yes to whatever the land offers means that they were able to survive as well as thrive, using their killer instincts, clever brains, and amazing stamina. Although they may look like your pet dog, dingoes are actually more closely related to wolves, and they are a relatively recent arrival to our shores, arriving 4,000 to 5,000 years ago alongside Asiatic seafarers. They for all opportunities on offer, and they made themselves at home. Now, if you were to put your dog alongside a dingo, they might look similar at first glance, but there are some striking differences. With sharper, longer teeth, bigger brains, stronger jaws, and breathtaking agility, they give them an edge as official predators. They're also very social, and they love their breath. So, is this dingo a true Aussie icon or a feral invader? Well, science tells cockatoo flies overhead, keep your eyes out for the striking colours of an Australian sunset. Now, whilst many of our Aussie animals like to use the hollows of eucalyptus trees to snuggle up to go to sleep and eat at night, like possums and gliders do, cockatoos instead use the branches of the leaves for their safety and protection, and they use the hollows as their nursery, where they'll build their nest, lay their eggs, and very patiently wait for their chicks to hatch. But for Linda and his mate to find that hollow to start his family, he faces a big challenge. If you think our real estate market is tough, you should try talking to our wildlife. There is extreme competition amongst parrots, possums and gliders for that perfect hollow, and to make it even more challenging, it can take up to 150 years for those trees to grow so big to develop one of those much needed multi-purpose homes. Imagine if we had to wait that long just to move into our new homes. But because we're all nature lovers here, with your help in using recycled paper products, things just like recycled toilet paper, Linda, what can everyone do? Can they turn it around for our wildlife? They can, boy. Now, Australia is known as land of the parrot because we are home to some pretty cool birds. Out of all the unique and interesting parrot species, however, I think today we are lucky enough to be joined by one of the most beautiful. And I think you might even agree. Alinta, are you handsome? Yeah, he knows it. However, Alinta is a double threat. He not only has the beauty, he has the brains to match. Cockatoos are known for being incredibly intelligent. They are good at problem solving, they're great at directions, and they are fantastic at remembering where important resources are, like food, water, nesting sites, and of course the treats we have hidden around stage and inside of our pouches. They are also big social butterflies. As they travel across the landscape, they will keep in constant contact with each other. With screeches and squawks and chatter and chortles, one extra special talent parrots have is the ability to mimic human speech. So, to say little Linda is a cheeky bird is a bit of an understatement. He likes to show off, don't you, buddy? He can twirl like a beautiful ballerina. He even has his pink tutu built in to match. And he's really smart because he knows he has something that makes him really different because he has it and none of us do. Alinta, what have you got that makes you so unique? Yeah, he has wings. Shall we show this side of the stage as well? What have you got? I think you can do better. Let's try that one more time, buddy. What have you got? Yeah, there we go. That was a better one. And being the gentleman that he is, he also knows his goodbye. He knows that his fans want the goodbye wave. He knows how to work a crowd.
Bye-bye.
Oh, very good wave.
हामीले सधैँ जस्तो यही 3 भाइ हो भ्लगमा आइरहने अनि हाम्रो नर्मली विकेन्डमा छुट्टी हुन्छ अनि विकेन्डमा चाहिँ हामी यसो केटाहरू सक्नेसम्म सबै भेला भएर दिनदिनै एउटा नयाँ नयाँ स्पोर्टहरू जाँदै ट्राई गर्ने गर्छौँ। अस्ट्रेलियामा हामीले त्यो नेपालमा एक्सपेक्ट गरे जस्तो चाहिँ त्यो कहीँ जाँदाखेरि दामी भइहाल्छ भन्ने त्यस्तो हुँदैन क्या प्रायः जस्तो चाहिँ गयो अनि गइसकेपछि यसो याद गर माछा चाहिँ भ्यागुता भने जस्तो लास्टमा चाहिँ हात्ती आयो पुस्छ टाइप त्यसो हुँदैन। तर अब यही त हो नि होइन भ्लग भनेको रियल डे टु डे लाइफमा जे हुँदैछ त्यही देखाउने जो छ त्यही हो। यो भ्लग गर्दा चाहिँ एउटा कुरा के रियलाइज गरेँ होइन यहाँ त प्रायः जस्तो हामी जाने गर्ने ठाउँ त तिम्रो लुकआउट भ्यू पोइन्टहरू त्यस्तो हुन्छ नि त क्यामेरामा त्यस्तो जस्टिफाई नै गराउन सकिँदैन क्या। अनि अब भ्युअर्सहरूलाई पनि कन्टेन्ट के झार भन्ने तर समस्या त्यही हो। एनिवे जे जस्तो हुन्छ आउँदै गर्छ अहिले विकली कन्सिस्टेन्स भइराखौँ भन्ने हो। यो भएर अब जे हुन्छ जसो हुन्छ स्टिक हुने मान्छे स्टिक भइरहन्छ नहुने मान्छेहरू पनि कम्पेयर गर्छु म भिडियो जारै गरेर स्टिक हुन ल बाई। हामी चाहिँ अहिले यहाँ एउटा लुकआउटमा आइसकेको छौँ। यो चाहिँ त्यही मुनलिट कन्जर्भेसन एरियाबाट 7-8 मिनट ड्राइभमा छ। मजाको छ पछाडिको ओसन भ्यू। म प्रोबेबली ड्रोन सट लिन्छु अनि देखाउँछु है त यहाँको भ्यू चाहिँ यस्तो छ। आजको हाम्रो यो मुनलिट सेन्चुरीको सबै सक्यो। हाम्रो आज यहाँ त्यही हल्का सोहरू थियो, त्यस्तो साह्रो लास्ट टाइमको जस्तो त्यो डल्फिन्स के पो भन्छ सी लायनहरू जस्तो चाहिँ थिएन, तर हल्का फुल्का चराहरू कोकटुहरू उड्ने ओर्ने कराउने कुद्ने सबै थोक छ यो भिडियोमा। त्यो पनि मजाले हेर। ल यति भन्दै अबको भिडियो चाहिँ म ऱ्यापअप गर्छु। भरे यहाँबाट निस्केर म मम्मीलाई पनि लिन जानुपर्ने छ, अनि मम्मीलाई लिएर आएर यसो रमाइलो मोमेन्ट भयो भने म घरमा पनि खिच्छु है त। बाइ। Hello. How are you doing? I'm going home now.